Hi, this is Bala Krishnudu, lecturer in computer science. Today our topic is arrays in C language. So first of all, what is array? So here array is collection of similar data. Means here array is collection of similar data. So it is also called homogeneous data. It is also called homogeneous data. That means if you want to collect the same data, then that is nothing but simply homogeneous data. So now how to declare the array? That means we learn what is the syntax array. Here the syntax of this one. So sometimes some people are represented. There are two types of arrays. Sorry, two types of syntaxes. The first one is in general. We are taking that is a data type, and second one is nothing but array name, and next one is size. Here the first one is nothing but here data type. It may be either primary or non-primary data. Primary or non-primary data types. So primary data type means like int, float, double, char. So if you want the structures, there is also possible to non-primary data like structures, unions, pointers. These are all called the data types. Here a name means name of the array. That means we are using the square brackets for representing the array. We can use the square bracket. Here size means how much capacity to store the same data in this array. That means maximum number of elements to be stored in array. Let us simple example. Means if you take the one simple example, that is int a of 10. So here it is a data type. Int is a data type where a is a array name, and 10 is the size of the array. So here means it will be contains the 10 integer values. The name of the array is called a. That means a is an array which is possible to store the integer data type with maximum 10 number of values. So if you want to take one more example, float a of 10. Here means if you take the b, that means b is an array which is possible to only float values with the maximum length is 10. So this is the nothing but this is the integer array, this is the float array. If you want to take the double double c of 10, that means it will be the double array, because an array which will be contains the double values, so that's it is a double array. This is the float array, this is the integer array. Sometimes we are take the char, that means char d of 10. So here we are taking that this is the integer array, this is the float array, this is the double array, this is the character array. But in our C language there is another name, that is nothing but a string. Means our character array is also called the string. So in next class we will discuss about the what is the string and in detail later. Okay. So now presently we are taking what is the array, what is the syntax of the array. So this is the first syntax, means data type, array name and size. So then how it will be stored, that means how it will be, memory will be allocated. So for this one now I will be on simple example in x of 3. Means here it will be taken like this one. That means homogeneous, that means it will be contain the sequence values. This is the first value, this is the second value, this is 3 value. That means what is the maximum capacity? 3. What is the name of this array? By using x. So the name of this array is called x. The how many values it is possible? Only 3 values. But how to indicate for this one? It will be taken 0, 1, 2. Here 0, 1, 2 are called index values. Index values. Sometimes it is also called subscript values. Subscript values. So how to represent this mean? This is called x of 0, this is called x of 1, and this is called x of 2. So x of 0, this is the first box name, this is the second box name, and this is the third box name. Here what is this one? 0, 1, 2. That means if you want to use this box, we can have the help of the index values plus array. These arrays generate like this. That is the name of the array, square bracket, and 0 and square bracket. That's why it is also called subscript values. It is also because of the value which is in the subscript. That's why it is called also called subscript values. And also one more thing, please remember here, what is the maximum size? There is a 3. What is the index value startingly? 0. What is the ending value? 2. That means if there is a x of n, what is the index value? It is a 0 to n minus 1. That means our array index value starting with 0, ending with the size minus 1. If you are represent like this one, what is the array means? Here size is there. What is the array values? Index values means starting value is 0, ending value is the 0 size minus 1. Here there is a 3. That's why it will be starting with the 0, ending with the 3 minus 1. That is the 2. If you are representing the n starting with the 0 and ending with the n minus 1. So this is the process, the how, what is the syntax, and what is the example, that is the types of integer array, float array, double array, character array. Then after that we are taking the how it will be stored in the memory. Now if you want to give some values, that means we want assign values to array. Assign values to array. That means if you want to give any value, then what is the syntax? The syntax for this one, simply array name, then after that index, that is equals to value, semicolon. So now we will be taken one simple example. Here what is the array name? That is the x. Now I would like to give this box will be 10. Now my intention is here I would like to store the value is the 10. So for this one I am writing the x of 0, that is equals to 10. Now if you write the x of 1 is equals to 20 and x of 2 is equals to 30, means here x is the name of the array, 0, 1, 2 are the index values, 10, 20, 30 are the our values, assigned values. So here x of 0 is equals to 10. That means this box will be allocation of 10. Now if you want x of 1 is equals to 20, it means the 20 is stored in the first index. Index name is 1. That means it is here. It will be called the 20 and it is the 30. So this is the process to how to assign values to array. If you want to display the same array values, so for this one simply you are writing the printf. I want to display the only this location. If you want to display only 20 values, then we are writing the printf %d comma x of 1. So this is the simple concept belongs to our assign the values. So that means this is the syntax how to, this is the first one, data type, name, array name, size. This is the example, and this is the how to allocate the memory. That means if you want the how to allocate in memory, la allocate, sorry, how to allocate memory. Then after that we are assign the values out in the array. So this is the concept belongs to our simple array. Now I would like to write the one simple program regarding to this concept. So now for this one, that means in the previous session, in the previous example, now I am taking this is the x, this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the x of 0 and x of 1 and x of 2. So now I would like to through another syntax, there is a another syntax is there, that is the syntax to, now I am writing int x of 3 is equals to, then I am writing the 10, 20, 30. This is also another way to assign the values, assign values into array. Now I would like to assign values into array. So what is the means? X of 3 means is automatical indication x of 3. So automatically 10 will be stored in the here. Then after that 20 will be stored the here, then after that 30 will be stored here. So this is the concept belongs to our, that is the syntax, second syntax for the how to declare that. That means he based on this one, what, how can you write? The int means this is the data type, array name, then after that size, then after within the left curly braces we are writing the value 1, value 2 up to value n. So this is another way for the assigning the values. So this is the simple concept belongs to our arrays concept. That means till to now we are writing the one simple example for this one. That means I am writing a simple C program for how to create an array and display. So for this one I am writing the hash include stdio.h, then after that void main, then after that I am taking the one array int x of 2, only 2 values will be I am taking. So now I am writing the x of 0 is equals to 5 and x of 1 is equals to 7. Then after that I am printing the both values, printf %d /t, and after that x of 0, then after that printf %d/t x of 1. Then I am closing the output. Then what we will get in the output? The simple output is the 5 7. That means here this is the array declaration, this is the assigning the values into the array, this is the how to retrieve the data from the arrays. So this concept belongs to the simple concept belongs to arrays. So in the next classes we are discussed about the what are the types of arrays, and later we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.